So children, let's begin with the first chapter of this session, and the name of this first chapter is Food and its Sources. This is part 1, as I will be recording this particular chapter in various parts to make it easier for you all to download it and listen to it over and over again to whatever part you are not able to understand at once. You can go through multiple times and let me know if you face any issues. Alright, so this is the learning checklist that gives you the points that you will be able to answer after the end of this presentation. So first thing is, what are the things needed for survival by living beings? Now there are various things that are needed for survival by living beings. So in order to survive or to stay alive, we and all the other organisms that are considered as living, they need air, water, food and shelter. The next thing is, why do we need food? So why do we need food? We all know that people who eat healthy and balanced diets are likely to have plenty of energy to work and enjoy themselves, and also they will have fewer infections and other illnesses. So food contains energy producing substances that are actually required by our body to do the following activities, like growing. Children who eat well usually grow well. They have better height as compared to the others, those who don't eat proper balanced diet. Then food is also required for us to do various activities like talking, breathing, keeping ourselves warm. Then food is required for repairing ourselves, for keeping our immune systems healthy. Whenever we get injured or we have a cut on any part of our body, we see that over the course of time that is repaired. Now, how does it get repaired? It repairs because of the proteins that we get from our food. So in short, they are all required for us to remain healthy and strong throughout our life. These energy producing substances are called nutrients. Now the next topic is staple food. So what is staple food? The food items that are eaten in major portions on a daily basis is called staple food. Now these foods supply at least one or more of the 3 major macronutrients that are needed for survival and health. What is macronutrient? Macronutrients are the nutrients that are needed by our body in large amounts, like carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Most important staple food across the world are, let's give an example. This is wheat, which is a source of carbohydrate. Potato, which is again a source of carbohydrate. This is rice, which is again another source of carbohydrate. This is egg. So eggs are the example of sources of protein. Fish, again source of protein. Oil, which is another example of fat.